through IIT Kanpur. IIT Kanpur is the mentor institution.
Okay.
They were going to real institutions to encourage the faculty and students to take up the trainings in the new technology areas
Okay.
where there are large workloads
Okay.
like IoT, machine learning,
Okay.
artificial intelligence, blockchain, data analytics,
Okay.
all these areas.
Okay.
Now they thought
Huh.
instead of approaching the individual institutes, it would be better if they go through the university.
Yeah.
They approach the Dr. APJ AKTU Lucknow,
Okay.
and we have signed the MOU as the affiliating college through AKTU and IIT Kanpur.
Okay.
So our faculty members are going to get the training in these areas without any charges,
Okay.
and students will get the training in the same area with 50% fees.
Huh?
50% fee is paid by the students,
Okay.
and the balance 50% is paid by the university and the
Okay.
Technical Education Quality Improvement Program, World Bank Funded project.
Okay.
50% take it phase 3, they are going to pay.
Okay.
We are looking for opportunities to have tie-up with the foreign universities, wherein which we can depute our students for conducting the projects,
Got it.
doing research, and undergoing incubation, prototyping, productization, and become entrepreneurs.
Okay.
So also we want to have the faculty exchange programs,
Okay.
wherein which they can enrich the knowledge, the facilities they have in the premier institutions, R&D laboratories in India and abroad.
Okay.
So if we can enter into a tie-up with the institute in Australia, so the Australian embassy which you are representing, we would like to really explore the opportunities to see if we can establish a tie-up and sign the MOU and get benefited mutually.
Got it.
Yeah.
We've seen that in the past that many of the Indian institutions do the ceremonial MOUs, and we don't really want to get into that rat race of bringing a lot of hospital institutions here,
Correct.
and we sign the MOUs and then nothing really happens.
Yeah.
We want to really take the things to the next level, wherein we really want to understand that you just mentioned that faculty development as well as few emerging areas like Internet of Things, blockchain, and other things. These are some certainly emerging technologies. You really are keen to really build capability in your institutions, to students as well as to faculty. So these are certain themes. Maybe let's start with baby steps.
Yeah.
I mean, instead of doing the 10 things, I would rather say that let's just identify 2 or 3 areas wherein we can start working together.
Yeah.
And then let's see if that comfort factor establishes. Then we can identify 10 other things, and then we can explore other things to really work together. I mean, that's how we really operate. Because otherwise, in the past, we've seen that many of the institutions, they sign MOUs with the 10 different Australian institutions.
Yeah.
Now, after 2 years, when I asked them what's really happening, you've had some MOUs with them. Said we signed MOUs, but nothing really has
Nothing much
happened.
happened in
So we don't really want to fall in that trap of just signing MOUs and then nothing really happens. So, and you just mentioned about World Bank project of faculty development.
Yeah.
Those are very ad hoc sort of projects that really happen, and that too clearly it depends on the external funding. So, and since you are funded by the government, are you funded by the government?
By self-financing institution.
So you are self-sufficient.
Yeah, self-financing, yeah.
Self-finance. So in that case, that's really good. So all the programs that you do, those are self-funded by the students.
Yeah.
Okay. So that
Private
is
institution, purely on self-finance.
okay. Okay. So that is the World Bank type of things. If that happens, that's really good. But to make it more sustainable, it's important that we, introduce short-term certificates, specialized programs for Indian students. That makes the complete stream of interjection very seamless, and that becomes sustainable. It doesn't really happen that after 2 years we really have to find out the ways that now what next.
Yeah.
So that's our thought process, and how we do, the way we operate. The Australian government, the way we operate, basically is we hear quite a lot of mandates from the institutions. We hear from them 1 or 2 specific areas, what are the priorities for the next 6 months, 1 year or something. And then we have a system of market information pack. We broadcast that information in our network, and that network or the newsletter or information pack is accessed by all those training institutions,
Yeah.
be it vocational education, be it higher education institutions, or be it specialized training providers in the leadership providers. So all these institutions go through those opportunities, and they share their expression of interest to us.
Right.
And then they share their capability document with us.
Yeah.
And those capability document we share that with you.
Yeah.
And once you find that, say for example, 10 institutions submit the expression of interest to us based on the Internet of Things and blockchain categories. And from those 10 institutions, you like 5 programs.
Yes, very.
Then we line up your telephonic interview, telephonic conversations, OBC, with those 5 institutions. And then those people plan their visit to India, or you can plan your visit down to Australia.
Yes, yes.
And we facilitate that seamless integration happens,
Correct.
and things happen on ground instant.
Yeah.
So we are here to really fast pace the whole process of engaging with each other.
Correct.
So we identify good institutions in India, good Australian institutions already are in touch with us,
Yes.
and then we identify few areas where you can come work together.
Sure. We will fast pace.
Exactly.
I am also
So
very
this
keen
is
about-
how we usually do.
Yes. We have to go for some program for certification,
Yes.
and fast pace all this planning whatever we want to do for the students. And they, when they are leaving the borders of the institution, they should have some additional skill sets
Yes.
which the industry requires. Over and above the academic knowledge they would have acquired in the 4-year studies under the AKT. This is our aim.
So do you really offer any short-term certificate?
As of now, we have not initiated the process, but we are looking for opportunities. We are inviting industries, like we are among the important personalities we invited to my campus for a discussion
Okay.
as to how we can implement this. And as you precisely said, we want to fast pace it. That's the
Exactly.
most important.
Exactly.
We have been having dialogue with other industries also who are very much capable, and they are keen to come to our campus to introduce give the training for the students and faculty. We have to select the capability of the industry shared the institution, and depending on what is eventually required for the students and faculty, we select it, and then you establish the teleconversation and other meetings, video conference meeting, and we take it to the next level.
Okay.
And
So
start
tell
implementing
me
immediately.
one thing. How
Yeah.
do you ensure that your institution is very well connected to the industry?
We
How
have-
do you ensure that?
We have the MOU with the industries. And the students go for internship. The industry experts come to the college for lectures.
Okay.
They go for conducting the projects, work on the industry problems, and the skill knowledge partners.
Got it.
And we approach some 2-3.
Okay.
They are already pre-occupied and they have signed MOU with our institution, and they are providing this facility of making the course popular among the people and getting them registered.
Okay.
And after that, the rest of the process is taken care by the institution.
Okay.
And he was the one who responded that he gave us a chance to discuss with him. So after visiting our campus and talking to us, he signed the MOU with us, and it is going on.
So which other institutions were there you were in touch with?
And the other few institutions in Delhi, I approached them.
Okay.
Yeah,
Like-
Jagannath institution, if I am right.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
they are some registered institutions, skill knowledge partners. They are registered with the ICT.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. No, that's good. I mean, because I didn't know, because I was just
We are
going
running
through
Prime
the-
Minister Kaushal Vikas Yojana.
हाँ.
We are running Unnat Bharat Abhiyan.
DDKVY,
Yeah.
PMKVY.
PMKVY we are running.
Yeah. Yes.
Already the program is there with us.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we are training the second batch
So
students.
what is the batch of the skill education things that are?
No, earlier we had 120 students
Okay.
in the first batch.
Hmm.
In the second, the 18-19 academic year, we have about 500 students.
Oh. First. And what you mentioned, 800 students.
500
500.
in the next academic year. First batch we had 120 students.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. And so, what sort of skills that you really impart besides BWalk? Because they won't be undergoing the
BWalk we are going to take admission this year, 1920.
Okay. Okay.
We had approval from AICT.
Huh.
Since the degree is awarded by the university, it's a bachelor's program. So this year the university has given the permission
Got it.
to take the candidates.
Oh, okay. So, in the skilling space, Vishwaraya Institution, what sort of skills training this institute does?
We offer, as per the programs in this shared with the NSPC, on
What program?
vertical building machine training,
Okay.
It is equipment worth 55 lakhs. We imported from Germany.
Okay.
And there they have the interface with the computer. Whatever design they want to have for the device, for the kind of the automotive space, for the component they want to fabricate there. It is developed on the system, and one sample is prepared.
Okay.
Sample is given to the client. Once he approves in this satisfies on the requirement, then we make as required to the customer.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Likewise, we have other kind of facilities in the campus in particular with us. So looking to the specific.
I've seen the example that in many cases even the industry gives or lends the equipments to them.
Yes, yes.
I saw, I visited one center in Mandir Marg. There is one company called Orion Editech. So they get the equipments from Schneider as well as there is another company.
Yeah.
So that particular industry lends the equipment to that institute,
True.
and this institute
Get them
trains
trained there.
exactly.
Yeah.
And then the students really get the placement in that
Same industry. So
organization.
the industry is not going to spend on training the candidates
Yes,
after they are
yes.
absorbed there.
Yes.
They are ready to deploy.
Exactly.
That is the
Because
point.
they have the requirement, that is how they're closing the loop.
Correct.
They require some entry level
Yeah.
graduates
Yeah.
for their institution. So instead of just spending their energy and money on training the
Resources,
people,
yeah.
they just outsource that training to
Very
the third
true,
party.
very true.
They lend the equipment to that, so that by the time student really undergoes and completes the whole training,
Correct.
when they come, it's like the real life.
They start working in the, on
Exactly.
the day one in the
So
industry.
the training cost is really controlled.
Yeah,
that
yeah,
means. Yeah. So here you have imported the equipment
Yes, we
on
have.
your own. Okay. Okay. So
We
that's
have the
good.
Schneider Center of Excellence also.
Okay. So tell me something about that. What is that?
The Schneider, they have the facilities for automation,
Ah.
and the students have the training, hands-on on the Schneider facility we have in the laboratory.
Okay.
Yeah.
And who all gets the training here in the Center of Excellence? Schneider?
Center of Excellence, we have 10th qualified, we have plus 2 qualified.
So who mobilizes the students for this?
The students mobilized to the
Vishwalaya.
yeah.
Okay.
When they come to my institution,
Ah.
training part is taken care by us.
Okay.
And their education expenditure, including the examination fees, is taken care by NSTC.
Got it.
Yeah.
Got it.
So they become ready for industry.
And the total strength that you mentioned about 4,200 people, does that also include 500 students vocational
They
education?
are regular students admitted
Ah.
to EKTU
Okay.
for engineering degree.
Ah.
We take in civil, mechanical, electrical,
Okay.
electrical, electronics, electronics communication.
Okay.
I see,
So
I
these
see.
are other than these 500?
Yeah, these are regular programs what we
Oh,
offer
okay.
here. These are additional programs we
Ah.
run to support the community to make them employable under the government flagship programs.
Okay.
PMKVY.
So now tell me one thing, there are quite a lot of interesting things that are really evolving. There are quite a lot of changes that are really happening in the policy landscape in India. As well as your institution is also, making quite a lot of expansions.
Right.
So if I really ask you in the next 6 months to 1 year, what is going to be the critical thing that you have in mind that you really need to make it happen?
I want to motivate my students to take the training on these the emerging areas, make them employable in the new projects coming up to this year. Now they want me, for example, we have here the software company in Noida. They say that I want 100 students from your college who are having the basics and some extent good knowledge to handle the projects in data analytics. I have projects in that. So if my students are trained in this area, they have some basics and some knowledge to handle the projects in this area. Machine learning, they want the candidates. We want to take up some projects here.
Okay.
Like we have the HCL company, biggest here in Noida.
Yes.
They asked me to give me 100 students
Ah.
for having knowledge in this area. Well, if they have undergone the training in these areas, then I'm sure that they will be the first to enter into this area, and the next 10 years they will reach the top position.
No, that's interesting.
I want to
Because I think-
immediately get this training started for my students, and I want to become the first institution in Delhi NCR region where the training on these areas has been started in
Brilliant.
collaboration with the industry or institute from India.
Brilliant. So I think, in fact, Australia has a very strong capability in the cyber security, data analytics, as well as machine learning.
Yeah.
So if these are the 3 areas, I mean, cyber security is of
It's
interest.
a very big challenge. Yeah, it's very interesting area.
So would you be interested
Very
in
much,
that?
we are very keen about it.
Okay.
Cyber security, information security.
So cyber security and
Information security.
information security.
Yeah, it's most important.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So these are the areas when you will be looking for long-term programs, or you are seeking for some sort of short-term certificate programs, because nowadays, most of your students are really doing long-term or the degree programs.
Yeah.
So along with that, to make them employable, would you be interested in embedding some sort of short-term certificate programs for them? Say for example, 2 महीने का एक certificate program करा लिया data analytics में, 6 महीने का program एक हो गया machine learning में, or along with the 4-year learning thing, you want to add 1 or 2 modules in your existing scheme of things.
I want to
What is your view on that? How would you like?
Very precisely. Along with this college training program, I want to embed some training programs of 2 months, 3 months, 6 months in this area. I will say, BTech in computer science, machine learning.
Okay.
Undergone a training here. That highlights that he has the knowledge about the machine learning, has undergone a training program.
So it
I
means
want to BTech in information technology and IoT. Undergone a training on
So if you say कि जो भी आपके modules, say for example इनके 24 modules होते हैं 4 साल में, उसमें आप 2-3 modules इनके और add करवा दो.
Add करवा दो. Precisely.
Okay.
That is, will become their specialization and their strength
Okay.
to make them employable.
Got it. And would you be? I just wanted to ask you that would there be any appetite wherein Indian students really want to impart or want to really get some sort of trainings going there in Australia as well? Say for example, 4 साल का कोर्स है. अगर ये लोग 2-3 महीने का कोर्स अगर डेटा एनालिटिक्स में करते हैं, उसमें से अगर 1 महीना यहाँ पे करें, कोई बाहर का ऑस्ट्रेलिया इंस्टीट्यूशन का फैकल्टी यहाँ पे डिलीवर करें, और 2 महीने वो स्टूडेंट वहाँ पे जाके कोई प्रोजेक्ट करे हों, और वहाँ पे जाके कोई और उनका इमर्सिव इंटेंसिव ट्रेनिंग ऑस्ट्रेलिया में जाके करें, डू यू थिंक दे विल बी टेकर्स हियर, और वुड यू बी इंटरेस्टेड इन?
Yeah, definitely we are thinking about it.
Okay.
We wish that the experts from industrial university and institution in Australia will come and deliver the lectures here, and the students are getting the training. Depending upon how they want to deliver the modules.
Okay.
To complete the training.
So these are the 2 ways.
Yeah, they can come here and deliver the program.
Exactly.
And some students from that batch can as well go to Australia and work on some live projects.
Yes.
Work on some projects.
Okay. So that's interesting, because I think in that case, let's pick this piece.
Yeah.
So I'm going to flash this request in my market information pack,
Okay.
and let's get expression of interest from the Australian institutions. That
Very true.
whatever Australian institutions can offer short-term 2 to 3 months program in data analytics, machine learning, and cyber security and information security.
Wonderful.
Should approach us. As there is one institution from India, JSS Academy, is interested in introducing that particular program. So there will be 10-12 Australian institutions will be sending their strength areas, their program details. I will share that with you. You take a look at that and you find and you shortlist few of the institutions, and then we will identify how to take this forward. Does that sound like a good plan?
Yeah, it's excellent.
Great.
Wonderful.
So अभी और 10 चीजें नहीं डिस्कस करते हैं,
Yeah.
एक इस चीज में डिस्कस करते हैं.
Yes.
Let's see how this goes. If we are really able to find the comfort factor, then we will speak about what all other things we can do.
Definitely.
That's like a good plan.
Very clear.
Yeah. So in between, what I will do from time to time, there are certain subject matter experts from Korea, from Australian institutions, they visit us.
Okay.
So whenever this happens, is there a possibility that I give you the call that there is some subject matter experts from Australia who has come here? Would you be interested in lining up some sort of short-term session for your students or your faculty? In case if the timings really match up, we can line up that session.
Can line up that.
So we don't really charge anything for that. It's basically those institutions are really trying to showcase in India that what all work that is really happening in the global stages, and maybe the Indian students really gain something from that experience. So, and maybe what is their enticement for the Australian institution basically is maybe from the cohort of 100-120 students in your class, maybe 2 to 3 students decide to pursue that particular course in Australia.
Yes.
So that is the reason they want to engage with more students here in the Indian market. So we are always on the lookout for these opportunities of engaging in the Indian market as well. So whenever there are certain academicians coming in, I'll give you the call and let's find out if there is a possibility for us to really line up that engaging session with the students. And alongside of that, if there are any faculty development initiatives that we have in mind, let me know in case if we can really do something together. That will be another area where we will would be very, very interested. So fine, I think this is good enough. I've taken down your interest.
Great.
I'll flash it back. I think once I go back to my office, I will just send you the discussion summary
Sure.
about the pointers that we discussed.
Right.
And you let me know in case if I missed any pointer or something.
Very sure.
Then we will take it from there. Great. Thank you so much for the time.
Thank you.
Thanks.